Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device, basically restart. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system. Once you find it, tap on it and then select the option called reboot. Then tap on the checkmark to confirm and wait until the device is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.